Hello everyone, this is Ashraf from EduPlanet Academy. Today we will discuss an important topic from trigonometry, that is complementary angles in trigonometry. Let us see that. Once we'll have a look here. I have taken triangle ABC. It is a right angle triangle and right angle located at point B. Here at point C, I am taking some angle theta. Can you guess what is the value of angle A? Yes, your answer is correct. It is absolutely 90 minus theta. Let us see the proof. We know that the angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degrees. The angle sum property of a triangle, it is saying that the sum of three interior angles gives us 180 degrees. Angle A, it is unknown angle. Angle B, 90 degrees. Angle C, we have taken some angle as theta equals 180 degrees. See here, angle A equals 180 degrees plus 90 degrees and plus theta. If I bring to RHS, they will become minus 90 degrees as well as minus theta. Angle A equals 180 minus 90, 90 degrees minus theta. Yes. So from this picture we can say that angle A and angle C, these both angles together they are making 90 degrees. It means we can say that angle A and angle C both are complementary angles. Now we will see the magic how complementary angles will play the vital role in the trigonometry. Let us relate complementary angles and 6 trigonometric ratios. The first one sin theta, second one cos theta, third one tan theta, fourth one cosec theta, and fifth ratio is sec theta, and the sixth one is cot theta. See here, in a triangle, in a right triangle, suppose just assume this is triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degrees, then I can say that angle P and angle R both are complementary angles. If I take angle R as some angle theta, then automatically angle P would be 90 minus theta. Clear? See here, the formulas we can derive based on this picture. Sin 90 minus theta, one of the angles of right triangle. Sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 degrees minus theta, cos 90 degrees minus theta, tan 90 degrees minus theta. Please write accordingly for all the ratios. Let us see the magic. Sin 90 degrees minus theta will give us cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta gives us sin theta. Tan 90 degrees minus theta gives us cot theta. Cosec 90 minus theta gives us sec theta. Sec 90 degrees minus theta gives us cosec theta. And finally, cot 90 degrees minus theta gives us tan theta. Let me write some examples based on these formulas. By using these formulas, can you give the answer? The answers are sin 90 minus 30 degrees is nothing but sin 90 minus theta gives us cos theta. Based on this formula, cos 30 degrees. We have to omit this value, 90 degrees minus this term we have to omit, and the same value we have to indicate there by changing the trigonometric ratio. Cos 90 degrees minus 45 gives us sin 45 degrees. Tan 90 minus 60 degrees gives us cot 60 degrees. Cosec 90 degrees minus 35 degrees gives us sec 35 degrees. Sec 90 degrees minus 20 degrees gives us cosec 20 degrees. The finally cot 90 degrees minus 70 degrees gives us tan 70 degrees. It means when it comes to complementary angles in trigonometry, sine inverse will be cos inverse will be sine, tan inverse will be cot, vice versa. Cosec inverse will be sec inverse will be cosec, cot inverse will be tan. Based on this concept, in our 10th class maths, few similar problems are there. For example, find the value of sine 54 degrees divided by cos 36 degrees equals how much? And the second one, find the value of tan 12 degrees into tan 78 degrees. And the third question would be find the value of cosec 30 degrees divided by sec 60 degrees equals how much? Can you solve?